welcome back. Okay, so this video is just going to be showing this product that was sent to me by this company. Honestly, can't say it. Try my best, and I think it's Capamere or Capamere. But anyway, there is a 36-piece gel polish here, and I believe this retails for $34.99. We're going to be swatching some of these colors and unboxing this big set they sent me. And the beauty part about this is it's only $40. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this box first, and we'll show you the little box after. So let's go ahead and see what it says. So far, I like the box. It was a little broken when it came. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, but before I do, I'm just going to show you the front. That's their brand, 30-piece. And this one, 36, and the little one, but this one's 30-piece, but it does include a LED UV light. So I can't wait to actually unbox it, because I did open it when it arrived, but I didn't really undo anything, so I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, the first thing I see is this set of nail art, it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. We got some cuticle oil, and this is strawberry scent. I'm gonna keep this one for myself. I make my own for my clients, but I like strawberry scented anything. It feels very like thick, to be honest, like thicker than mine. Okay, let's move on. We also got, oh, if you want to use this set for a pedicure, this is really cheap. This whole set is $40, and then if you do your nails at home, oh my god. Okay, just got back in my seat. So we got a couple things, some glitter. Oh look, a whole set of bling. What in the world? Look how cool. Now I have extra bling. Oh my gosh, there's a side that has the clear ones, not, you know how, yeah, the crystal stones, which don't have the AB effect. So I like both, and they look so good. Oh my gosh, and you also get a buffer. Feels like a nice buffer. A little manicure brush. That is so cool. Okay, we got a manicure brush here, and I'm gonna have that for myself. I'm gonna keep that one. And then, oh, a 100/180. This is the perfect nail file that I like to use, to be quite honest. What else? We got some, what is it called? Foil tape, I think that's what it's called. And it has silver and gold. I have so many of those, but it's always good to keep them. You never know if they'll come back in trend and you might need more. Okay, so then we got a cuticle cleaner. I don't really use those, to be honest. And then a cuticle pusher. I really like this type of pusher. That's cool. And there's like a little brush here for, like, I guess maybe like a cleanup brush. Oh my god, a little dotting tool. This one has the tiniest one at the end. I don't know what happened to all my dotting tools, you guys. Out of nowhere, I'm missing all my dotting tools. And then whatever this thing is here, this looks very nice. I don't know if I can draw, maybe draw flowers with that, maybe if I attempt to, but let's put everything back in. You might, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, if you're a beginner, this is really nice. If you're a beginner, you should cop this. So this is the nail lamp. Let's remove, oh my gosh, how beautiful, look at that. And it looks like it has a handle for pedicures. Like when you do pedicures, you know, you can like grab this and go to your little station. Easier to carry, and like if you're a mobile tech as well, which there's not really a lot of people who do mobile techs, but regardless, even if you needed an extra lamp, at least you can have this one. I can't wait to turn this thing on. And then let's see the last thing that's in here. So this, I just love the boxes, they're really cute. But let's move this big old box. Very pretty color packaging. And this is a 36, and it has 3 color shows. So like the base, the top, and the matte. So this is what the bottles look like. They're pretty big bottles, to be honest. and I really like that. I couldn't believe when I took a glance at them that I'm like, these are full-size bottles. Like, I would cop this if I was you guys. Beautiful colors. They look very fall colory. I can't wait to have like the whole thing swatched. I did buy some swatch sticks recently, but I do think I might need to buy more because this is a lot of colors. Not only this one, but that one as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we saw this one. This is basically, I think this one has different colors. I don't know. Yeah, this one has a lot of different colors. Oh, cool. Here goes a little, what is this? Like a how-to basically. So if you don't know how to do your nails or how to use this, they do have a little how-to right here. Great. So here is a closer look. Beautiful, beautiful. This has the same. It has a top coat. It has a matte top coat and a base gel. And, oh, what happened to this bottle? This bottle kind of spilled. Hold on. We gotta clean that. We have the remote. Let's not forget about that. The remote, the plug-in for the lamp. So let me see first. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the lamp actually, and then we can come back and start swatching. I cannot wait for that. We'll do like 2 matte and 2 regular colors just to see what they look like. I have to plug it in somewhere. Too bad it's not wireless. So where would I have this? Okay, so I'm plugging in the lamp first, but before I noticed something that it's very small to plug into that, and I'm like, is this thing wireless or not? I don't think so. Let me see. No. Well, that kind of sucks because it's short. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in anyway, and I have a con already. It's a very pretty lamp. It's cute, but way too short of a cord. And so if you disconnect it from the cord, no, it is not charging. It's not chargeable like my other one that I got. Yeah, I don't think I like that. But if you're starting off and you can easily just plug it in very close to you and you just need something to start because it comes with all the gel polishes, go ahead and get it. It's 40 bucks, you get a lamp. Why not, right? But if you have the money, invest in something better. I do have, where's mine? So this is the one that I got on Amazon a while back, and it's been with me for a little bit, not too long, but I love it because it reminded me of my Essie lamp. My Essie lamp was $300, but this one was only like under 90, 70, could have been 80, around that range. I'll put the picture on from the Amazon store that they have it right now and see what price it's at. But honestly, invest in something that's portable like this. You just charge it like a plug-in like that, and then you unplug it and it's charged for a long time. But like this, I would just say if you don't have a lot of money and you actually want to start doing nails, then go ahead and get it. I don't recommend something with such a small cord if you're really going to, if you're going to be really busy and stuff. That's what I suggest. But anyway, we're not going to let dang, see, it's so, oh, I can't. It's kind of bothering me, to be honest. So I'm just going to leave it here somewhere you guys can see it. And oh, what about this glitter? So I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these colors that I picked. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna leave this here just for decoration, but as you guys can see, I have some bottles that are white and some that are black. So the sets do have different bottle colors. Pretty nice. I like that. I think I like the white ones a lot, and they have like the color of the polish there. These are just black, so that's probably why I like these a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna get some swatch sticks. Okay, so it looks like the lamp has a 10-second setting, a 30-second setting, and a 60-second setting, and a 99 low heat mode setting. Okay guys, I brought my light and my camera a lot lower so we can see the colors. I love them. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys better. So we got some 2 glitters. The only thing I didn't like was the texture, but it's not bad. I feel like it's very, very, I don't know, it has a cute effect. Not even just cute, like, I feel like it's such depth of glitter, if that makes sense. It's really pretty. I just don't like the texture of these glitters. These ones weren't too bad, I think, but like the other glitters, they were a little different. Okay, so then we have this purple one, which has that matte effect. I actually do like the matte effect. It doesn't look too bad. This is that blue color. The blue one looks pretty. The pink is very nice. Love the pink. This one is amazing. Oop, I got it a little dirty. This one has the matte effect. It's gorgeous because it's perfect for fall. We got a gold and silver. I love this silver like a lot. Very nice silver. And then the final color, which is going to be really popular really soon, is this color for fall. I love this color so much. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video. I really hope you really enjoyed it. Check it out if you are on a hunt with a budget. And I think, so like I said, one was 40, the 40 with the 30 pieces of gel, and then the other one was 36 pieces. So you get like 72 pieces of gel polishes, including the mattes and the top coats and the base. And then you get this lamp. Like I said, this is a good investment for a beginner. I wouldn't recommend this to a professional like myself because this will get on my nerves if it's too long. That's my honest opinion. Other than that, I think it's a great purchase. Like I said, 40 for the box with the lamp and the gels. The other one's 36 pieces, which is 35. So you're looking at like 75 plus tax, under $80, and you get 72 colors and a lamp. If you want to, like, say you are like ready to start doing nails and you're like, you know what, that's not a bad under $80 investment, and I got a lot of colors for the clients to choose from. Or if you're trying to save money and you're trying to do your nails at home, this is a really good deal, because let's be real, sometimes we do spend a lot of money on, you know, our stuff, and sometimes we do need a break. Even me, I understand when my clients need to take breaks because they're looking at their finances, or they just want a break from their nails and they just want something simple. Go ahead and get this. Anyway guys, I'll leave all the description, I will leave all the information in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. Subscribe.